Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog on my channel. I was about to vlog Janmashtami, the entire festival that we celebrated 2 days before. Like yesterday was Janmashtami, and day before yesterday was Krishna Janma. So I was going to vlog that day, but I don't know what happened to me yesterday, but I was feeling sort of ill. So I decided not to vlog, and I had captured some of the clips from day before yesterday's festival. So I decided to vlog today, and I'll be showing you a quick look what we celebrated that day, and I'll see whether I have got the Hyandi clip also. So if we get that, I'll be showing you that, and if not, just watch the Krishna Janma clips that I have. And also today's day is gonna be kind of normal. I'll be filming, I'll be side by side vlogging, I'll be also reviewing some of the Nykaa products to you today that I got in this entire lockdown situation. So if you want to know my whole day, if you want to see what I do throughout the day, and what is my routine and what all stuffs I do, then keep watching. Also, I'll be applying this sheet mask today. I've got this from Nykaa in the lockdown session only. This is the Unmasked Avocado Plus Moringa for nourished hydrated skin from Nykaa. Let's try this. Now I'm going to be trying this, and I'll chill for some time. I'll have some tea and then catch you back later. Okay, so I got done with bath. I took a bath, and then for breakfast I have oats. Now, those who hate oats, I would like to tell you that do try this Saffola masala oats. They are really yum. They are not like your regular oats that taste really weird. They are really, really super delicious. So give it a try. And for today, I've already mentioned you what I'll be doing. So yeah, let's hope for the best. I'll be doing I'm planning to do two videos today. So let's see whether I'm able to do two, or I'll be finishing off with one only. And no plans as such. I have to edit this vlog, and the vlog will be up maybe tonight or tomorrow morning. So stay tuned. Also, come and have breakfast with me. It's really yum. Hi guys, back to vlogging. Now this is the look that I created. I told you I would film today, and I was doing that since afternoon. Now it's approx 3:30, and I've been doing it from 2 o'clock. I take so much time to film. I do, and I will not neglect that. But it turned out to be so good. I don't know why. I'm loving it. It has turned out really good, and I was not expecting this good it would turn out, but yeah, it did. So yeah, keep watching my channel, It would be soon up on my channel. I would edit it after this vlog and I would post it on my channel very soon, maybe in 3 to 4 days. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm funny. I'm literally funny. If you get to know me better, I'm really funny. Okay, so yeah, it's tea time. I took some chai and I have some chips, Lay's favorite ones. Save here. Okay, so I have some tea and um, I prefer reading books while having tea. Now, the book I'm having is The Death of Salesman by Arthur Miller, and good book so far. It's a play, little bit dramatic, but yeah, loving it. So I just started reading it. I don't know the exact story of what it's going on. So let's see. I'll read it and then let you know what is it. Also, people don't know I love reading books, but I don't have any of the books, I guess. But yeah, I've started collecting books, so I'll be having a huge collection soon, like the makeup ones. So yeah. Also, you must be wondering why haven't I took off all the makeup. So this is me after filming. I don't take off the makeup like instantly. I just sit around and chill in that makeup and just feel pretty enough. I keep on like I stay in that makeup for like very long time, so I don't remove my makeup. This is me. This is real me. I don't know how you people gonna tolerate me, but yeah, this is me. This is the real me. And there are many situations going on in my life that have really broken me down, but I'm trying to be stable enough because life is gonna just punch you every day, but you need to stay calm to stay alive, right? So yeah, I'm trying to do that. शांत रहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ ताकि ज़िंदगी आसान जाए. I think that's the philosophy that I follow basically. So also many of my friends are also supporting me. I don't know how they do that, but they are supporting me in this situation and they are with me like a moral support. And let's see, my mom dad is also there. Like, channel is also not growing well. I have noticed that uh, it's really getting hard, and I think the growth would occur, but I need to stay stable. Like, I need to be consistent enough. I am not that consistent enough as the other YouTubers or other content creators, new content creators, I would say. I'm not that stable, so let's see what happens. I'm trying to be stable, I'm trying to be consistent, but I have very much issues going on in my private life, so I don't know, maybe that's the thing that is affecting my content creation or anything else. I don't know, but yeah, I'm trying not to mix professional and personal life, but yeah, I'm new in this industry, so understand. Okay, now बहुत हो गई बक बक. I'll read this book and drink some tea. Bye. Okay, So I told you guys that I would review some Nykaa products that I got from Nykaa in this lockdown series. So I have them all over here, but I'll be showing you just a quick sneak peek about what the products are. If you want a detailed video about the Nykaa products, then just comment down in the comment section whether you want all the detailed videos about that or not, so that I can make a proper haul for that all the products. So I'll be quickly showing you what all I got. So the first product is Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation, and I've got it in the shade Warm Sand. Now very good foundation for everyday wear, and also it has great coverage, it is buildable. So if you want like uh, what we say, a defined coverage, you can go in with 2 to 3 layers, or you should be fine with 2 layers actually, but I'm okay with only one layer of it. It just normally covers all the what we say, all the blemishes and depigmentation and all of my skin. So I quite be happy with what this one layer gives me. So yeah, very good foundation. The second product is the Nykaa Skin Genius BB Cream, all-in-one BB Cream. Very natural coverage it gives, and it is like what we say, you can wear it every day and feel that is nothing on your face. It just gives that finishing, and also it is really comfortable. You can wear it and just be very comfortable, like you have no makeup on your face, and it just gives you seamless what we say, coverage. So yeah, it is really good. The third product is Nykaa Get Cheeky Dew Blush Palette. Now you might have seen this palette in my past 2 to 3 videos of makeup, because I am just obsessed with these two colors, especially this one, this coral color. I usually put this color on my cheeks because it gives so beautiful color on your cheeks, and you look very beautiful when this color is on your cheeks. So yeah, do try this out. It is in the variant Brazilian Bombshell. Yeah, it is in this variant, so do give a try. Now the variants Cali Chic, and there is one more variant, I guess. They are also good equally. I want to try Cali Chic, but let's see whether I'm able to get it or not. So yeah, but this is great one. Do try this out. Okay, now next product is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now what to say about this powder? It just locks, and it just gives ultimate coverage to your makeup, like the coverage that foundation concealer does not give you. This is covered by this powder. So do try this out. Even if you put this on your bare face and you just go out of your house, it would give you great coverage. No need of concealer, foundation for natural look. So do try this powder out. It is really good. Do try this out. Now the next one is Elegirl Pro Conceal HD concealer, and I'm in the variant, sorry, I am in the shade Pure Beige. Now I literally can't believe that this is my shade. It really is my shade, because I see Malvika Sitlani using this shade, like a Pure Beige, and it suits her, but I thought it would not suit me. But I just ordered this for highlighting purpose, and it is working amazing as a concealer to hide my flaws and everything. So yeah, it is quite expensive. I got it for something 650 or 595 something, but the quantity, it is the quantity that is available for 595 or 650 is very less. So but yeah, for those who want to go for coverage, this is really good, so do try it out. And the next and very very special products that I got from Nykaa, and I had dreamt for these products like uh, I don't know what to say, but I never thought that I would buy these products this very soon. But I got my hands on. These are the Smashbox Always On Liquid lipsticks, and I have the two variants. One is Boz, that is a very bright red color, and one is Gulabe, that which I have put on now. It is really natural color, perfect for everyday wear. Like it gives you the look of natural lips, like your lips are of that color only. So yeah, these two are really good. Now the original price of this two lipsticks, each lipstick is 2100 rupees of each lipstick, but I got it for 900. Combo of these two, I got it for 900, so it was a steal deal and I stole it. So yeah, I'm really very lucky. But I got it from Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and I guess this was really good decision for me because they are amazing, you guys, because these lipsticks are just bomb. Just try it for once and you'll be in love with it. So do try this out, these lipsticks. Okay, so the now the second last product of this review is the Nykaa nail enamel, that is nail paints that I got from Nykaa. Now this is the raspberry crumb 255, and this one is lilac stones 130. Now lilac stones is a violet color, uh, nude violet color, and this is a pink in violet crystals with it. Now this two colors are very 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 amazing, and they last on your nails for more than a week without like getting off. When we have this we get like the nail pen gets ripped off from your nail tip, but they last long, they do not move from your nail. Like, they're just amazing. Do try this out, do try this nail paints, because they are literally rigid good. Okay, so do try this out. And the last but not the least, I got this sheet masks from Nykaa itself. Now Nykaa was on offer, buy 5 get 5 free, so I added 10 to the cart and paid for 5. Now this is really good. I tried one of these masks in the morning. I will show you. I tried this mask in the morning, and it was really good. So hydrating, and the fragrance of the masks are also so like calming. My brain felt so like relaxed. So it was really good experience with Nykaa sheet mask. But I do want to try the Face Shop ones because they are really good, and these ones are also good, by the way. It gives a great glow, fragrance is awesome, and you just get it for 100 rupees. So what do you else expect from that? But yeah, the sheet masks are really important, and I stocked it for almost a month, so I don't have to look forward for sheet mask for at least till my birthday. Yeah, my birthday is coming in 1 month. I'm really excited, but also sad that lockdown is extended. Okay, so now these were the products that I got from Nykaa. Now if you want in detailed description about all these products, that how they work, and what all are the uses, or you want me to make like a makeup video on this using all these products only, and if you want the prices of these products or for what I got, then comment down below. I'll try to make a video about in detail video about that. But yeah, for today this is only it. Now the day has passed well, but I had some bad news also today, but I think I should not share with you now because we have been having a positive day today, so no bad news as such today. But if the news is true, I will letting you know soon on my Instagram or on YouTube also. I don't know, but I'll let you know soon. And yeah, so that was it for today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and पसंद आ गया हो तो लाइक कर दो यार, और देखो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. कितना टाइम जाता है यार उसमें सब, इतना सा तो टाइम जाता है. एक सब्सक्राइब कर दो, एक लाइक कर दो, शेयर भी कर दो किसी को. इट्स रियली ईजी, डू दैट. एंड ऑल्सो बाकी के वीडियोस भी देखो, है अच्छे, काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. इतने भी अच्छे नहीं है पर काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, मैं ये बोलूँगी. एंड आई बी कमिंग अप विथ मोर वीडियोज़ बिकॉज आई एम फीलिंग रियली पॉजिटिव दीज डेज. लाइक थोड़ा स्ट्रेस कम हो रहा है मेरा, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है, बिकॉज everything is positive happening around. Some negative things are also happening, but I don't want to pay attention to that things. I am trying to stay positive, I am trying to stay happy, I'm trying to stay safe as much as possible. So yeah, देखो यार वीडियोस, और लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो. एंड yeah, what else? I'll have dinner now and do my nighttime skincare and just doze off. Nothing else. I'll chill for some time on my phone with which I'm shooting now, but I'll chill for some time on that. Yeah, also I forgot to mention you, अगर आप लोगों को ये नेल आर्ट जानना है कि मैंने कैसे किया, तो मैं बता दूँ कि ये मुझे मेरी बहन ने करके दिया है. My cousin sister did it. She is really good at nail arts. So if you wanna know how in depth how I did it, or she taught me actually how to do it. So if you want a depth video, I can do it for you. So mention if you want to learn about this nail art. And yeah, that is it for today. I'll have just dinner and skincare and doze off. और जिनको मेरी नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन जाननी है, देन गो एंड वॉच माई स्किन केयर रूटीन, एंटी एक्ने स्किन केयर रूटीन वीडियो इज़ ऑलरेडी अप ऑन चैनल. सो वो भी लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे चैनल को बिना भूले. ओके, सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल देन, बाय.